Hello, welcome to Tech Wizard. Today we are going to see the first Java program, Hello World. So first we are going to write the program and then in detail we will discuss about that program. So let's start with the program. Let me first increase the size of the font so it will be very easily visible to you all people. Let's start. So the first line will be class, or let's write down public class and class name. So let's keep the class name Hello World. Then inside that class we are going to write down the main method public static void main string args. Don't worry, we are going to see in depth what is the meaning of each and everything. Now we are going to write down comments. So the below statement is used to print message. So this is how we can able to give the comments. Okay, so to print something on console we can use system.out.println and let's print hello world semicolon and complete the curly brackets. Okay, so here I am using TextPad for creating a Java program. If you are not having TextPad, you can download it from the internet. I will provide you a link for downloading the TextPad in the description. Okay, so let's save this program first and then we will discuss it line by line in detail. So let's save it with the hello world. Control S to save it. So I am here giving the name hello world.java. Save. Okay, let me increase the size. As I saved the program, the font size has been changed. Apply. Okay. Okay, now let's discuss in detail. So this is let's gives a line number. This is the line number 1. Here the line number, this is the line number 2. This is the line number 3. This is the line number 4. Okay. So in the line number 1, first word is public. So what this public indicate? This indicate that this is a public class. Public class means it can be accessed from anywhere. Anywhere means you can access that class within the same program. You can access that class within the subclass, or you can access that class in the different package. Okay, or simply you can say in a different program. Okay, so when we want to access that class in the different program, we need to use one concept which is called as a package. So we will go in that in the later on, but basically the public means that it can be accessed from anywhere. So public is it is called as a access specifier. Okay, second thing is a class is a keyword for creating a class, and next is the hello world. So this is the class name. Okay, so one thing you need to remember for right now, that whatever the class name is, for example here the class name is hello world, so you need to save the Java file. You need to save the Java file with the same name. Okay, for right now we will keep as it is, that you need to save your Java file with the hello world, that is the class name. Okay, in detail we will see in the upcoming lecture. So this hello world is a class name. Okay, I hope this is clear. Now moving to the line number 2. Okay, so line number 2 again, first one is a public, so same meaning, it is a access, it is a access specifier. So it means that you can access that method anywhere. Next one is a static. Okay, so this static means you can access this method. Which method? This main is a method. Okay, this main is a method. So you can access this method without creating object. Access method without creating object. Okay, otherwise what you need to do? That you need to create an object of this class hello world, and then you can able to access this main method. Okay, but here as this method is static, you can access this method without creation of the object. And the next thing is a void. Void means it is a return type. It indicates the return type. And here, in this case, it returns nothing. Void means it is not going to return anything. Okay. Then main is a name of method. Okay, so this is the description of the second line. Okay, let me copy over there to the respected location so you will get more idea. This is about the line number 1. This is a description, or let me write down above that. This is about the line number 1. Then copy this over here. This is for the line number 2. Okay, now here if you want to give a single line comment, you can use the double forward slash to give the single line comment, or you can use forward slash star and you can give multi-line comments. So when you are giving multi-line comments, it start with the forward slash star and it ends with star and forward slash. Okay, so this is how you can able to provide the comment. Okay, next is the system.out.println. System.out.println. So now let's break it down. First one is a system. So this system, okay, so we forgot over here something. Let me complete this. So we, in the second line, we have seen public, static, void, main. Remaining is this string args. So what is this string args? String is a class. Okay, string is a class. That is, it takes string is a class, and it takes we can say an array of elements of type string. Okay, so here you can see the string is a type and is a array of elements. Okay, so main method, you can say main method accept a single argument, and that argument is a type of string argument, and however here is the args is a name. Okay, so you can keep it as a args or args1, that doesn't matter, but this string will be as it is. this name can be changed. Okay, so this is about the main method. Now let's move to the system.out.println. So here system is a final class. System is a final class, and it is defined in the java.lang package. Okay, java.lang package. So here one more thing I want to clear, that whenever you want to use the classes which is available in the packages, okay, what we need to write down over here, we need to write down something like this one: import java.lang.star. okay, but over here, so this system class is available in this particular package. Okay, but over here we do not need to import this, because this is a default package available in the Java. So any class which belongs to lang package, you can use it directly. You do not need to write down this statement import java.lang.star. okay, so system is the one of the class which is defined as a final class in the java.lang. okay, so we can directly use that class. Second one is the out. So here out is basically a instance of print stream class. Is an instance of print stream class, and which is available as a public static member in system class. okay, so this is the instance of print stream. It is not the instance of the system, but this is available as a public static member in a system class. okay, simply the reason is we cannot able to create the object or instance of print stream directly. okay, we do not have that access. okay, so Java providing alternate way to create it, that it is available as a member in the system class. So by using this system class, we can access this out. okay, and last one is println. So println is a method to print given arguments on console, or it prints the given argument. Let's keep it as it is. okay, so this is system is the final class available in the java.lang package. Out is the instance of print stream class which is available as a public static member in the system class, and println is a method which is going to print the given argument. Over here the given argument is the hello world. okay, so it will print this particular given argument. okay, now let us I hope that first of all this basic program structure is clear. okay, in detail we will see it later. So here you can see this class block has been starting from over here, and the class is ended over here. This method, that is the main method, is starting from over here and ending over here. okay, so this main method is residing in this hello world class. okay, now let us discuss over here. We are going to compile this program and we are going to execute this program. okay, but before compilation and execution, let us see how it is going to compile, and when it is going to compile, what will be the result, and the result which is produced by the after the compilation, how it is going to be executed. okay, so let's understand that in detail. we will keep over here this is as a comment, so it will not affect our program. Okay, so first of all, this is a Java file which name as a hello world dot java. We are going to compile this file using the command javac. Okay, as it is compiled successfully, it will create one class file. It will create one class file with the same name, that is the hello world dot class. This class file contain the bytecode. Okay, so what is bytecode? Bytecode is a intermediate code. Okay, bytecode is a intermediate code. So our Java code, which is a high level language code, will be converted into the intermediate code. Okay, as we have seen in the one of the feature of the Java, that Java is platform independent, and second one is a portable. Why it is platform independent and portable? Because of this bytecode. Okay, once this file is compiled, you can take this class file on any operating system and you can able to easily execute it without changing a single line. So that is the magic of Java. Okay, so this is the result of the compilation. So this is what the compilation process. Okay, compilation. Now, so what is the output of the compilation process? Bytecode. Okay, now let's talk about the execution, how it is executed. So for the execution, what will be the input? Input will be our resultant file, that is the hello world dot class. This will be given input to the class loader. Okay, what class loader will do? What is the job of class loader? Class loader will load the class which is available in the class file, that is the hello world dot class. Okay, so here in our case we are having one class only, that is the hello world, but it may be possible that you may have several number of classes in your one Java file. In that case, this class loader will load that classes. Okay, once it is loaded, it will be given to the bytecode verifier. Now this bytecode verifier will check illegal code that violate the access right to the object. Okay, so if there is any illegal code available in the classes, that is going to be verified by the bytecode verifier. And so once it is successful, then it will be transmitted to JIT compiler. Okay, now this JIT compiler will convert that bytecode to the machine code and execute it. Okay, it convert. So basically JIT compiler is responsible for converting bytecode to the machine code, but before that there is a class loader, there is a bytecode verifier, and finally this will result in machine code. Okay, so what is our input over here? Our input is hello world dot class file, that is a bytecode, and the result is machine code, which is passed from these three phases for the execution. Now these three component, that is the class loader, bytecode verifier, and JIT compiler is the part of JVM, that is the Java virtual machine. Okay, so hope you guys able to understand the background process of the compilation and execution of a Java program. Okay, so now let us first compile this Java program. Okay, so for compilation in the text pad, you can go to the tools, go to the external tools, and you can click on compile Java, or the shortcut key is available is Control 1. And to run Java application, you can press Control 2. Okay, but we can able to do the same thing using a CMD. So let's open the CMD and compile and run the Java file. So to compile the Java file, what we need to do? We need to use command javac, and our Java file, that is the hello world dot java. Okay, before I execute this command, I want to show you that on this particular location, that is on desktop Java program, right now you can see only the Java file is available. Only the Java file is available. Once we execute this command javac hello world.java, okay, now let's go to that location. Let me suppress this. You can see one class file is created. One class file is created. And now to run that class file, we just need to give hello world. Okay, hello world. So this file is going to be executed. Okay, you can see over here it print hello world. Okay, but for this execution, it passed from the three phases: class loader, bytecode verifier, and the last one is the JIT compiler. Okay, JIT compiler stands for just-in-time compiler, but it doesn't mean compiler as we have seen in the previous one, that is the Java feature. It is a compiled language and interpreted language. So when you are doing this one, javac hello world dot java, compiler has been used, and when we are using this command java hello world, at that time interpreter is used. Okay, so JIT is, the name is like just-in-time compiler, but JIT works as an interpreter. Okay, compiler, over there the compiler word mean it transfer bytecode to the machine code. Okay, compiler over there means that it transfer bytecode to the machine code. Okay, so I hope that you are getting this concept very clearly. One more thing I would like to show you over here. If you want to see the bytecode, okay, then there is one tool available, that is JavaP. Okay, this JavaP tool display the information about the field, constructor, and method of a class file. Okay, so let's try to use it. We are having a JavaP command and we are already having our class file. So let's pass that class file over here, hello world dot class. Okay, so here you can see that it shows the class name. Okay, it shows the method name. Okay, as we are having only one class over here and we are only having one method. Okay, there are various options available with the Java P. One of the option is Java P dash P. Okay, so this dash P will show you all the classes and members. Okay, so let's execute Java P dash P and our class file name hello world.class. Again it will show you the same result. Okay, the reason is we are only having a one class and one method. But if you are going to execute this Java P on our object class that is available in java.lang object, you can see over here it shows number of methods which is available in the object class. Okay, we can also execute this Java P dash P on java.lang object. Okay, so here it shows the various information. Other various options are available with the Java P. Is you can use in the place of P you can use -v. So it gives you a verbose output in a form of verbose. You can see over here there is a long output. You need to go above to see that. Okay, you can see this long output which contain many things in detail. Okay, so this is what the Java P tool is. You can able to see the bytecode using this. Okay, you can explore that tool in your free time also. So I hope that you can able to understand the concept in detail very clearly. Okay, if you have any question, if you have any doubt, you can give it in a comment. I will surely try to resolve it. Okay, so if you like the video, please share with your other friends also, so they can also able to get benefited of that. Like the video and subscribe to our channel. Okay, and also don't forget to press the bell icon. Okay, so you will get the video whenever I'm going to upload it. Okay, so we are going to upload the video on this Java series, so do not miss any video, and this will be also very useful when your placement will come. Okay, so thank you so much for watching my video.